You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from medicine science, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This is a synonym of centromere, and it has slightly different pronunciations. In British English, it's usually pronounced as kinetochore, kinetochore, kinetochore. Now, there are variations. You could put a schwa on the first syllable, kinetochore, kinetochore. Now, the Americans also use a flap T that sounds like a D. So the US pronunciation is more as kinetochore, kinetochore, or in British English, kinetochore. Did you get this? Can you hear the difference? How do you pronounce it, or how would you like to pronounce it? Kinetochore or kinetochore? Yourself, let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.